Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to select shipping method on AliExpress. First, open the AliExpress app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. You can search the product through the search bar at the top or through different sections available within the product page. Once you find your preferred product, tap on it where it will redirect you to the product page. Now scroll down the product page until you reach the service commitment section. Here you will see different options. Within this section, there is a shipping preview showing small details like shipping cost and estimated delivery time. On the right corner of the shipping preview, you will see a greater than icon. Tap on this icon to open the shipping method page. On the shipping method page, you will see the default selected shipping methods with the info related to shipping amount, delivery time, as well as shipping company or via information. You can see that the default shipping method is only visible. So in that case, tap on more option to see all the available shipping methods. Now make sure to review all the shipping methods available. Then tap on the shipping method that you prefer. When selected, the checkbox gets checked. After that, tap the apply button at the bottom and you will be redirected to the product page and the selected shipping method is now applied. From here, you can tap add to cart, buy now, or continue exploring other products. The AliExpress standard shipping is very useful for a good balance between price and delivery time, but you can also choose any method that suits you, and that's how you can select a shipping method on AliExpress easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.